You are watching the video Organizing Literature Efficiently from the series Processing and Presenting Information. This is Max. He is studying at TU Berlin. Max is just starting his thesis. He knows from previous seminar papers how difficult it is to keep track of the sources he uses. This is why he goes to the Economics and Management Library for advice. The librarian, Ms. Müller, advises Max to use a reference management program. This kind of program works like a virtual index card box. It records bibliographical references, electronic files, personal notes, and sometimes even quotations. The bibliographical references found in various research sources, PDFs, and websites can be imported directly to the respective reference management program. Duplicates can be found and deleted at the click of a mouse. This simplifies the process of collecting and organizing literature. Max finds this useful, but he would also like to link and categorize the collected information. Ms. Müller explains to him that Max can use reference management programs to link articles to each other. Additionally, he can create and assign his own keywords to the sources he discovers. There's a link between the reference management program and the text file in which the paper is written. Max can add source references, whether they appear in the body of the text or as footnotes. All sources cited in the text are then automatically included in the bibliography by the reference management program, maintaining accurate and complete documentation. Max is relieved, because this saves him the time he would have otherwise needed to type up and check his references. He has one more question. He is supposed to cite bibliographical references according to the guidelines of the American Psychological Association, which he has never heard of. Ms. Müller explains that this citation format is included in the reference management programs alongside many others and says it is easy to activate. All appropriate passages will then be automatically adapted. Max understands that he can organize and archive his references more clearly with a reference management program. He also finds it easier to write and make quotations. In conclusion, Ms. Müller mentions several reference management programs and points out that many of them are paid services. Zotero, however, is a free and open source program, making it accessible to everyone. The Central Library at TU Berlin offers workshops and consultations for using Zotero. Max wants to get started straight away. Ms. Müller is glad she has been of assistance. She and her colleagues are happy to help with other questions, either in person or by email at infokompetenz@wm.tu-berlin.de.